Manufacturing. In an ever-growing, globally competitive landscape, how can you remain competitive? You can launch cost reduction measures, find ways to improve throughput, and improve first-time quality. But how do you know these processes are working? You need to measure the results. In today's technologically evolving world, data is being generated from everything. Financials, robotic part data, personnel credentials, logistics. How do we make sense of all of it? Data is just data unless you have the tools and knowledge to tie it all together. At Lincoln Electric, we've been leading the industry by transforming the data generated from welding machines into valuable information that drives success and welding solutions. Whether your operation is just starting the process improvement journey, or you're looking to integrate with existing IoT systems, we can help. Lincoln Electric's Checkpoint Production Monitoring System provides a simple, hassle-free way to evaluate your welding production data. With pre-made dashboards to provide data specific to your operational role, whether that's production, engineering, or quality control, Checkpoint has the information you need, when you need it, and how you need it. Do you need to make sure production demands are being met and your operations are running at peak performance? Are we meeting demands? Are we meeting our required throughput? How about a welding engineer making sure your operators reach maximum productivity while controlling cost? What is my operator's arc time for the night shift? Who are my best performers and who may need additional training? Or maybe you're in quality control and you need to prevent downtime or rework that could slow down production and increase costs. Are we stopping bad parts with potential defects before they leave the welding station? Whatever your role may be, we have built our industry-experienced analytics into the Checkpoint system. Data is no longer just data. It's data with experienced analytics, which gives you precise information you can take and use on day one. Simple yet powerful welding data to solve your problems. But that's not all we do. We also understand that integrating the data with other systems is important. This is the backbone of the industrial Internet of Things. To make your manufacturing process smarter, integrate a range of Lincoln Electric products out of the box into your existing systems to help drive initiatives such as preventative maintenance, just-in-time delivery, quality control, production management, and in return helps identify the true cost of welding, evaluate the true quality of welding, and deliver the true performance of welding. At Lincoln Electric, we are the welding experts. We have the knowledge to make your welding operations function at the highest standard. Let's solve these problems together.